Getting a good 5G smartphone under the price of 10,000 rupees is one of the most hectic thing right now, but this might be an answer. 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz punch hole LCD display, Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, 1000 nits brightness and vision booster. This is the all-new Moto G35 5G. If you are planning to buy the best 5G smartphone under 10,000 rupees, then this video is for you. The Moto G35 has out-of-the-box Android 14, which is upgradable to Android 15 and promises 3 years of security updates. And this might be one of the fastest 5G smartphones in this price point with 12 5G bands. It even supports VONR, 4x4 MIMO and 4 carrier aggregation. Even it got rated as the India's fastest 5G smartphone by TechArc. The smartphone gives near stock Android experience with smooth interface. It comes with one or two pre-installed applications which can be uninstalled easily, giving it a much cleaner look. The device is IP52 rated with a premium vegan leather finish. The one which I have is a Pantone validated color guava red. It's 7.79mm thin, 185 grams weight and very comfortable when you hold it in your hand. The device features dual cameras with a primary 50 megapixel quad pixel sensor. The photos coming out of this device is sharp, crisp, well managed, and the HDR management for this smartphone in this price point is excellent. The second camera is an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and this might be the highest in this segment. The ultra wide photos are also decent in outdoors, and at this price point giving an ultra wide itself is a big bonus. And cherry on top, this device has a full HD plus display but supports 4K 30fps recording. I think this might be the first smartphone to give a 4K 30fps recording in this price segment. I mean, it even supports recording videos in the ultra wide camera. Coming to the front, you have a 16 megapixel punch hole camera which delivers selfies like this. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Unisoc T760. And don't judge the book by its cover, because this might be one of the most powerful chipsets in this segment with 4.6 lakhs of Antutu score. Even while running the Antutu benchmark, the device just went up to 32.8 degrees. It gives a solid performance for its price point, and even it feels smooth while browsing through the UI. The device has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Cherry on top, you have a stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. The power button acts as a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Along with 5000 mAh of battery, it supports 20-watt turbo power charging, and you get a 20-watt turbo power charger in the box. Along with that, you get a 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It features all the Moto features like the Moto Secure, Family Spaces, and even the ThinkShield security. So if you ask me which would be the best 5G smartphone under the 10K segment right now, I can definitely say it would be the Moto G35 5G. Yeah, so this is my opinion on the new Moto G35 5G, and let me know through the comments what did you feel about this device. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such cool videos.